Hey guys, here we go. Right now, I have my blend of E85, which is E30. I'm in map 3. It's a much cooler night than my last video. So we'll just do a quick pull with this right now before I advance to map 5, but it's gonna feel a lot better. Every time I put E85 in the car, it just runs better. Yeah, it just feels smoother with this fuel. Let the tank mix a little bit, cruise a little bit, and then throw it in map 5 and see what we got. Do a few pulls, maybe 20 to 80. With 0 to 60 with map 5, it just spins too much. It's gonna just be a waste. Alright, let's go into map 5. Just double tap. And then 5. Yep, now we're in map 5. Downshift. Yeah, definitely a big difference. Let's do this quick on ramp. Traction off. Alright. Wait for them to go by. Okay. Definitely pulling good. Quick 60. So much better than the other day. At 90 degrees was really heat soaking the motor. It was just not moving very well, but I still want to try a point of view video just to test it out. This is my first one actually, this is the second. Alright, I'm going to go to an area where I can do some 20 to 80s safely and could show you guys the difference from the other day, map 3, and this is map 5 now with an E30 blend. This is a good spot. Nobody around, industrial. So we're going to do a 20 to hopefully 80, do a second gear roll. And here we go. Definitely pulls really nice. Just do a quick third gear pull, 3,000 RPMs. Right after this car. Okay. 3,000. Quick 20 to 60. see if I can roll the window down to get that diverter valve. Windows open, this thing pretty loud. Okay, so this is the JB4 on map 5 with an E30 blend. I'm very pleased. Car makes really good power for just an intake JB4 and E30. No other bolt-ons, no downpipe yet. Just basically a stock car with an intake and a piggyback tuner and some fuel. And this thing moves pretty nice. Really, no complaints. One more pull for you guys, and I have to see you guys next time. So here we go.